So today we got the 4000 series oscilloscope, and this is the 500 meg version. So let's have a look. Double boxed again. So, what have we got here? We've got operation manuals and CD. We've got some probes, 4 probes, so this must be the 4-channel unit. Here you go. Let's get the unit out. Oh no, hiding in the back here. USB lead and European mains lead. So there we go. That's the 4000 series scope. There we have it. That's what you get, and again, if you buy at Rigol-UK.co.uk, I'm going to give you the UK mains lead, the USB connector, the one's already included, so normally just one of those, and a Telonic pre-delivery inspection. Basically we'll make sure the unit's in spec. You get electrical safety tests on that as well, and a firmware check. Please remember to go to Rigol-UK.co.uk for your exclusive offers.